Welcome back to my channel. We are going to our very first organic cafe. Woohoo! We're gonna get some good stuff here. This is a good place if anybody's visiting Ormond Beach. This is their store. Living Waters Health Foods Juice Bar and vitamins and herbs and black bean burger, vegan BLT wrap. Vegan sausage and cheese sandwich. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. The Organic Cafe doesn't know, but they are getting advertisement from me. Yes, they are. And I am definitely going to do a review after we're done eating there. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll let you know how it is. See ya.